Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2020 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, remote trunk release. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.